In today's video, I will show you how to recover a deleted photo or video on your Android device using Google Photos. To begin, open the Google Photos app on your device. Once the app is open, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on Collections. In the Collections menu, find and click on the Trash icon to see your recently deleted items. Next, find the photo or video you want to recover. Tap and hold on the item to select it. Once it is selected, look at the bottom left of your screen and click on Restore. A prompt will appear to confirm the action. Simply click Restore again to finalize the process. Your photo or video will instantly be moved back to your main gallery and any original albums it was in. Google Photos generally keeps backed up items in the trash for 60 days and non-backed up items for 30 days before they are permanently removed. And that's it! That's how you recover a deleted photo or video on Android. Thank you for watching!